Welcome to Psalms and Tides, a quiet place where the words of Scripture meet the gentle sound of the sea. In this episode we listen to Psalm 16, a psalm of refuge, trust, and deep assurance in the Lord. It begins with a quiet prayer. Preserve me, O God, for in Thee do I put my trust. David speaks of the Lord as his portion and his cup, the one who holds his inheritance and guides him with counsel. This psalm gently reminds us that when our hearts are fixed upon God, we're not left to wander alone. He is near, He's faithful, He shows us the path of life. As the waves move softly beneath the reading, allow your thoughts to settle. Bring your need for safety, direction, and peace before the Lord. Let these words remind you that in His presence there is fullness of joy, and at His right hand there are pleasures for evermore. This is Psalm 16 from the King James Version. God bless. Psalm number 16. Preserve me, O God, for in Thee do I put my trust. O my soul, thou hast said unto the Lord, Thou art my Lord, my goodness extendeth not to Thee. But to the saints that are in the earth, and to the excellent, in whom is all my delight. Their sorrows shall be multiplied that hasten after another God. Their drink offerings of blood will I not offer, nor take up their names unto my lips. The Lord is the portion of mine inheritance, and of my cup thou maintainest my lot. The lines are fallen unto me in pleasant places, yea, I have a goodly heritage. I will bless the Lord, who hath given me counsel. My reins also instruct me in the night seasons. I have set the Lord always before me, because He is at my right hand. I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoiceth. My flesh also shall rest in hope. For thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, neither wilt thou suffer thine Holy One to see corruption. Thou wilt show me the path of life. In thy presence is fulness of joy. At thy right hand there are pleasures for evermore.